स्थितियाँ विपरीत थी और थी संसाधनों की विपन्नता। फिर भी योगेंद्र सिंह यादव ने लिख दी शौर्य और साहस की वीर गाथा। Today, we are celebrating the 78th Independence Day of the country under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And now, we are going to celebrate the 76th Republic Day in 2025. In such a situation, it is also the responsibility of us students in this new India to remember the love and sacrifices of the soldiers for the country, to remember their valor, along with this motivational lessons towards patriotism. In this sequence, I am going to tell the true story of a bravery of my role model and inspirational hero, the young and only living Paramveer Chakra winner of the Kargil War, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav. Talking about his early life, Captain Yogendra Singh Yadav was born on 10th May 1918 in a soldier family of a village Aini, district Aurangabad, Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. Both of the brothers grew up listening to stories of bravery of India and Pakistan war under the shadow of soldier father Karan Singh, and both the brothers joined Indian Army at the age of 16-17 years. शरीर में धसी 17 गोलियां, फिर भी रणभूमि में शौर्य संघर्ष करता रहा। भारत के ये वीर सैनिक घायल बाघ की तरह टाइगर हिल पर डटा रहा। As a student, I have read that the Kargil was fought in the Kargil transcontinental region. It was a very difficult and inaccessible area. In this, one had to deal not only with enemy but also the weather and altitude. At that time, the Indian soldiers did not have sufficient weapons, food and water. Our intelligence was also very weak at that time. Even in those difficult circumstances, we used to give a fitting reply to the enemy. At such a time, Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav was a part of commando platoon Ghatak with 18 grenadiers selected to capture 3 bunkers on the Tiger Hill in the early hours of 13th and 14th July 1999. One of the bunkers was located on the top of a 16,000 feet high rock covered with snow. Our hero Shri Yadav ji voluntarily climbed the rock high up Tiger Hill and firmly established the ropes. But halfway up, an enemy bunker opened fire on them with machine guns and rockets, killing the platoon commander and 2 other soldiers. Shri Yadav also received 3 bullets wounds in the neck and shoulder, but bullet hit his chest, but some coins in his pocket saved him. Despite this, he survived and reached the 60 feet high peak. Despite being seriously injured, he showed indomitable courage, crawled into the enemy's bunker and killed 4 Pakistani soldiers with just 1 grenade left in his possession. Also fighting with the opening enemies, due to which the Indian platoon got a chance to climb the high rocks, and finally the brave soldiers of India succeeded in hoisting the tricolor flag of India on the Tiger Hill. Then, by the afternoon of 5th July 1999, the Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, announced a ceasefire. This war was named as Operation Vijay. Along with this, the brave Indian who showed indomitable courage by getting hit by 16 bullets, became the youngest 19-year-old soldier of the country to receive the Paramveer Chakra from the former President R.K. Narayan, who is known throughout India as the Tiger of the Tiger Hill. Thus, our role model, Yogendra Singh Yadav, participated in the show Kaun Banega Crorepati as a special guest on the request of Amitabh Bachchan and donated the entire amount won on the Army Welfare Fund. Because of his inspiration, I also donated the amount won for my painting prizes to the Prime Minister Care Fund in the year 2021 during COVID-19 period. And even today, the Paramveer Chakra winner, who has been a special part of the Veer Gatha program for almost 3 years, has spoken a lot of words to the students.
भारत माँ ने बेटे और बेटियां तो पैदा ही नहीं किए, सिंगने और शेर पैदा किए। जय हिंद करके सेवा निवृत्त हुआ हूं, लेकिन अपने कर्तव्य और दायित्व से निवृत्त नहीं हुआ हूं। क्या चाहिए, कलम या तलवार? मन में ऊंचे शक्ति, तन में शक्ति, विजय अपार। आप तलवार में से या कलम में से एक अगर चुन लिया, तलवार से भी वीर बनोगे और कलम से भी वीर बन सकते हो। ये
Influenced by this, I would also like to become a doctor in the army so that I can serve my country and the brave soldiers. At the end, I want to say that in the Kargil war, hundreds of soldiers from Bihar and other states happily sacrificed their lives for the country, and even today they are getting martyred. The government and the ministry should take care of the soldiers' family so that they do not have to wander from door to door and can live a respectable life in the society, so that we, the new generation of social media and mobile world, can also choose the military as a field for our career and for patriotism. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.